launches CX150i UV to deliver high-resolution coating on non-porous packaging. Domino India has announced the launch of the CX150i UV, a high-resolution piezo inkjet printer designed to help manufacturers achieve durable, high-quality direct-to-box coating on semi-porous and non-porous packaging materials. India poised to lead the next biotech and AI-driven industrial revolution. Dr. Jitendra Singh highlights India's progress in biotechnology, AI, quantum technology, and space, with the space economy projected to reach $40 to $45 billion by 2034-35. Enzene launches NEX for cost-efficient local biomanufacturing, built on the Enzene X fully connected continuous manufacturing platform. The new end-to-end solution helps governments, institutions, and biopharma organizations establish scalable, sustainable, and affordable local biologics manufacturing with significantly lower capital investment. Biogen completes acquisition of Raythera Inc. Acquisition strengthens Biogen's immunology pipeline with a phase 1 lead candidate and expands its portfolio of small molecule therapies for immune-mediated diseases. MINK reports early phase 2 results for Agent 797 in severe pneumonia. Initial findings show encouraging improvements in oxygenation, infection control, and safety in critically ill patients.